G'day all, welcome back to Frostbite's G.I. Joe Repro. We're here today with another mail call. It's a special mail call. It contains a part for a Star Wars vintage piece that I have taken months to try and get together. It's only two parts, but yeah, I got the first part in a couple of mail calls ago, and the second piece has finally arrived, and I'm super excited to put them together and actually display them. So we got our parcel. I got this off a gentleman in one of the Australian toy groups on Facebook. He was super nice. We did a great deal together. I grabbed a couple of extra figures off him. So yeah, super exciting. I'm very happy to finally piece this together, and yeah, let's crack into it. So I've been coming across some really good sellers in the Australian Facebook market. It's made me really happy. Because I don't know them, I still get the goods and services option whenever I buy stuff off people that I'm not familiar with. There's just too many scoundrels getting through the Australian Facebook market right now. It's a killer. People are just getting just caught out, and they get told by sellers, pay with Pay ID. It's all good. It is not all good. If you don't know the person, use PayPal, goods and services. If you don't have PayPal, get PayPal. Otherwise, it's really at your own peril. I saw someone in one of the groups put up an excellent group of vintage Star Wars figs, and I claimed it first, claimed it within a minute, and she turned around and said, I only accept direct deposit. And I think the amount was only $80, but I didn't know the person, and yeah, I just wasn't willing to take the chance. So I missed out on that, and I think she was a legit seller in the end, but whatever, I still have my $80. So yeah, anyway, let's crack on with this. So I got some figures off the guy. The guy's name is Darren Case. He's in the local groups if you want to buy anything, if you're looking for anything in particular. So got a Stormy. He looks like a bit of peroxide treatment, and he'll be great. So yep, happy with that. Got a Hoth Trooper. Really, I'm not really a fan of army building, but I seem to be building an army of stormtroopers and Hoth troopers. I just sort of can't help it. After one of the recent sellers here in Australia, Greenie, he passed away, and his thing was stormtroopers, and he had a lot of stormtroopers. So, if I find them cheap off sellers, I just buy them. But yeah, I seem to be getting a few of them together in the cabinet now. So yeah, a Hothy. And, good on this guy. He's used a crap load of bubble wrap. We've got our AT-AT driver. The one in my cabinet is, I think he's got a busted thumb. So yeah, it was nice just to get one that's really good loose. You would have seen my recent videos. I picked up one graded, and that was spectacular. But, it doesn't hurt to have a loosey in the cabinet, and I'll probably just on sell that other one or chuck it into storage. Yeah, nice. And a bobber. Another figure. And I guess with those three as well, like, these are figures that if I can get at good prices, I'll just get them. They, it's a bit of a, I think it's a safe investment as well. you buy figures like these, they are army builders or figures that people just can't help but collect. So yeah. Oh, that's nice. He's chucked in some stands as well for free. That's great. Thanks so much. Okay, the figure, the part, the thing that I've been waiting on for I think about 4 months. I've been looking at collecting this thing, and man, is it expensive for what it is. But I finally have it, and I'm very excited. This guy. So the trash monster. I don't know why I wanted this, but it looks great. Super happy I finally have it. Because now I can put him in. So now that I have that and I can display this, I've got some camping foam matting in the garage. I'll probably go and slice that up, chuck some little foam pieces into here. I might 3D print like some machine parts or something that can sit in there as well. And yeah, I'll get a Luke and a Leia and a Han and Chewie and put them in there, and that'll be the display. So super excited to finally have pieced this together. It's great. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I really appreciate a lot of the views I've been getting recently on my videos. Really shows me that you guys are loving the content. If there's anything that you want reviewed, opened, looked at, just let me know in the comments. What did you think of this video? Chuck a comment in. It's good to know if I'm, could be doing things better. No comments, just assume I'm doing everything perfect for you. Okay, so yeah, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.